welcome guys back to my YouTube channel. You don't know Shickaa Chung and I'm back at it again with another video. Today is gonna be Vlogmas day 18. Guys, I know I have not been here for day 17 and day what? Day 16 and 17? Today what day?
Today's day 18.
Oh god, so okay, this is Vlogmas day 19. I've not been here for Vlogmas day 17 and 18. I've just been going through a bunch of stuff, but I know, but this is for Vlogmas day 19. This is for tomorrow. I'm posting this tomorrow. So I did not post anything for Vlogmas day 18 and day 17. So yeah, we're at Vlogmas at day 19. Guys, we're just here. My mom, I told you guys already that she does black cake and stuff. So we're just here, you know, preparing the orders, guys. Look, cakes by Nick Snacks. Eat here, guys.
Cakes by Nick Knacks, best in the GTA.
All right, girl. She done tell you already, yeah. Best in the GTA. Yeah, guys, that's what we're here dealing with tonight. And yeah. But the rest in the next clip, it will be tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Look how me look crazy. I'm up very early right now. It is just after 7 o'clock. Look at my hair, guys. I need to catch it up in a ponytail. Let me just do that. Okay, guys, my hair is tied up. I just woke up to help my mom deal with cake orders. When we run a cake business, well, when I do it, my mom's just the baker. Me kind of run it. I'm try make sure that everything is in order. I have our little book, so Christmas time, always busy for rum cakes and such. So I'm just gonna be like explaining to my mom like what we have already, because my mom bakes a lot of the time. And the goal is not to over bake, so we're gonna be ended up with like a bunch of cakes. Like, no, we don't want that to happen. So I just have to explain to her what needs to be done. I'm not gonna be filming her at all because yeah. So mommy. So you see the ones that have like the stars in it? You see the ones that have the stars ticked on it? Like those ones that have stars, look. This already. This, you already have it. You have one of this out of the 6 out of 10. You have one of them already. You have this already.
So we need to make 5
Wait,
more.
you have this one already. Like you have this 10-inch already, and you have this 8-inch already. Those are the ones that you have already, right? Put on yes already. But out of the 5 10-inch you already have. I mean, out of the 6 10-inch you already have one.
So I have to make 5.
So you have to make sure that you have 5 there. How much you bake today?
2.
You bake 2 today?
No, 3.
So you need 2 more for that order, and then that order is complete. Okay, so need to bake. I just wish I had a pen. So to bake right now, you're gonna need. So you say you already got 3 10-inch. You're sure you have 3 10-inch in there already, right? Huh?
Yeah.
So 10-inch. So you would need 2 more 10 inches. 2 10-inch. You're gonna need 1 2 5 7 no 6. Wait, no, I don't want to get it twisted. You're gonna need 3. You need 5 8-inches. You're gonna need 5 8-inches. You're gonna need a 12-inch.
Oh, you mean I forget to marry that. That I pick up Christmas Eve, right?
Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, one of those.
Okay, ice need that Thursday. But I forgot ice Monday. Oh, if you pick up, I know me have one girl I pick up Tuesday with the icing.
Yeah.
Mommy have 8-inch to make.
Yeah.
And the ice
Just don't overbake. That's the goal, guys, right? Don't overbake. That's just the goal.
Yeah, I have those
To make things simple, we line out what has to go out for today, which is just simple, just small. A lot of the orders are coming out Christmas Eve. This is our logo, guys. Cakes by Nick Snacks. So you guys can check her out on Instagram for rum cake throughout the year. So yeah, guys. Here's some that we have, and then she has to get some more in the oven. Okay, so guys, yeah, we are going to Walmart now just to run to get some. I think my mom has to get some more cake supplies. So yeah, somebody already came and picked up their cake. So we have 4 cakes to go out today. So that is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go to Walmart and also get some stuff that I need because I want to make some brownies and stuff, guys. Okay, guys, yes, so yesterday not yesterday, but the 2 days before, I made cheesecake. Oh my god, like a banana cream cheesecake, and guys, it was amazing. I wish that I got to video what I did, but as I said, life, sometimes when life lick you away, you just have to pause on everything. So I had to make my life a priority. So I am so sorry for not being able to upload 2 vlogmasses now. But yeah, we're back at it again. Yeah. Say something for the people, them, Kedra.
Hi, people.
Yeah. Oh, guys, you like my bracelet? I want to show you guys. Yeah.
Shop Shickaa.
It has all the parishes. It's not really focusing. But yeah, Shikkaa's beauty box. No, beauty box accessories.
Beauty box accessories.
Yeah, I told you guys. Beauty box accessories, shop for all the necessities. Yeah. So we are in Walmart now. I picked up a bunch of like little items. I don't know why I pick it up. Every time I come to Walmart, it's like I just want to shop. I just want to shop. My mom, she's on her way to get the cake items, like whatever she needs for baking. And we're just here. Oh, this is on sale here too. Yeah. Guys, would you use this as a cookie cutter? But you guys can get nice baking supplies in here. It works out. See, they ate something. See, there's something. Buy it. So if you guys want stuff that are like pre-cut, you guys can get this. If you guys are baking cake, because you guys have to cut it. But when you come in the dollar store, you can find ones that are cut already. Okay, so we came back from the store. I was trying to take a nap, but it's not working out. But our cake deliveries for today are basically done. We have one more left, and they're coming right now to pick it up. But guys, trust me, I'm so tired. When I woke up early this morning, like, I don't normally wake up at that time, so it's just a lot for me. So I'm just quickly waiting for this person to come and pick up the cake so I can take a nap. And guys, I don't generally take naps. I just feel like it robs my nighttime sleep because, as I said before in previous vlogs, I do not sleep. Like, I can't sleep at night. So when I take a nap, that means I'm really, 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 really tired. So today is an eventful day. Tomorrow we're gonna get a break. Well, in the evening my mom's gonna bake, and I just have to tell her like which orders she has to deal with and such. So yeah, guys, that's how we operate, like, with our cake baking stuff. But honestly, packaging is so cute. Like, guys, our cakes are lovely. I'm gonna show you some of the ones that were freshly baked this morning. I think I showed it to you guys. Let me just... Okay, she kind of stacked them up, but here's one of them. That's like our 10-inch cake. And when she wants to taste samples, she has this little tin where she can try her sample of the cake to see how it tastes, so she knows what it tastes like. Instead of like baking a whole big cake for her to test, she has this small one. And me, I gotta take a little piece and try. Let's see. And just throw out the knife. Ooh. Cake. Guys, if you don't love rum cake, as I said, if you're in the GTA, check out Cakes by Nick Snacks.